Hello and welcome. My name is Bernadette and I'm a back pain specialist. People with back pain have directional preference. And what is directional preference? Moving in the preferred direction that can be side bending, flexion, extension, or rotation can reduce back pain. But how do you find out what works for you? Well, you need to try the exercises. So I am going to demonstrate a couple of them so your body will tell you which one works for you. Okay, so first we are going to do flexion and extension of the spine. On your hands and knees, please. And you can turn your fingertips out to the side, or you can even elevate your hands if being on your wrist is not for you. So we are going to push the t-shirt up to the sky and then drop it all the way down and look up. And then push the t-shirt up and then drop it all the way down as far as you can. Make sure that you do at least 10 to 15 of the exercise. So really kind of like dropping the head, pushing your shirt up. You can pause here for a second if it feels good, and then drop it down, sink between your shoulders and look up. Gonna do 2 more. Very good. Another one would be sitting back on your heels. And then rise up onto your knees and then drop your pelvis down and look up. And then again, sit back on your heels. And rise up and look up. And again, you can play with the range of motion here. If dropping your pelvis this far hurts, you can stay here, okay? So you can stop here and then just look up and then sit back on your heels. If being on your knees hurt, you can use a pillow under your knees. Very good. We are going to do one more. Nice. We're gonna go back on our hands and knees, but this time have your knees together. Drop your pelvis to one side and look to the opposite direction. And switch. The knee may come off the mat. And again, you can play with how much you drop your hip to the side. So you can go a little bit deeper if you would like to, and you see my knees coming off. Side to side. Very good. And now we are going to do side bending. You can keep your knees stacked this way. You can sit in kind of like a zigzag position, Or you can just sit on top of the chair, or you have another option to have your legs out to the side like this, and we're just gonna do side bending. You can go a little bit deeper if you can with each movement. So this is the side bending. And now we are going to add some rotation. So we are looking behind us. And you can soften the back elbow and then kind of like lean towards that hand to make it deeper. You don't have to make it deeper, but if you would like to, you can. Very good. One more each side. Very good. And then we can go all the way down. You can keep your hands between your legs or on your thighs and just go as far as you can. And then come all the way back up and look up. Go all the way down. Keep pushing your legs down if you can on the floor. And what you also can do is when you're down, grab your legs and make it a little bit deeper and pause there for a moment and then come back up. We're gonna do two more. And one. Very good. And now we are going to lay down on our side. Have your knees right in front of you, legs bent, and elbows in front of you. And then we're gonna send the elbow up and then rotate your chest. And then bring it all the way back. And then send the elbow up and follow that elbow and rotate the chest. And come all the way back in. And then again up. Very good. If you don't like to have your hands this way, you can have the arms right in front of you and then lift the arm up and then rotate the chest and reach behind you. And then bring it all the way back. And up. And then rotate. And then bring it all the way back. Very good. Let's do one more. Very good. And now we are going to do the other side. So you can have the elbow in front of you and rotate the chest and then bring it all the way back. You have the option again to have your arms out and then follow that arm and then bring it all the way back. Very good. We're gonna do 2 more. And 1 more. Very good. And now we're gonna lay down on our back. And then bring your feet close to your body, your booty. And then what you're gonna do is you are going to tilt your pelvis. So push your t-shirt and your low back down and then slowly lift up as far as you can. And then slowly lower down. Very good. And then again. First, your back goes against the mat and then slowly roll up as far as you can. Everyone is different, so don't worry about the range here. And then slowly lower down. And then again, low back goes first. And then lift it up. And then all the way back down. And then again. Gonna do 5 more. Three. And 2. And 1. Very good. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and I hope to see you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.